Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies cardigan, gents sweaters, shawls, caps, jackets, baby blankets, baby frocks. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern I have used long tail cast on and basic border. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 9 stitches plus 4 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this pattern is of 6 rows. For demonstration I have taken 28 stitches. So let us start now. This is our first row from right side, slip edge stitch and then knit all stitches. Knit all stitches till the end of the row. Purl last edge stitch. This is our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Slip one stitch and then purl all stitches. We have completed our second row. Now third row from right side. Slip one stitch and then purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now onwards repeat pattern, yarn over and then SSK. SSK means slip, slip and knit. Knit 2 stitches together from back loop and then knit 1 stitch. Now knit 2 stitches together from front loop, yarn over and then purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next repeat, yarn over, SSK, slip 2 stitches purlwise, then twist and place on left needle and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. Now knit 1 stitch and knit 2 stitches together from front loop and then yarn over and purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now last purl edge stitch. This is our third row. Now fourth row from wrong side. This is our fourth row. Now slip edge stitch and then purl all stitches. Purl all stitches till the end of the row. Now this is our fifth row. Slip edge stitch and then purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now onwards repeat pattern, knit 1 stitch and then yarn over and then knit 3 stitches together from back loop like this. Now again yarn over, knit 1 stitch and then purl 4 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat. Second repeat pattern, knit 1 stitch and then yarn over and knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Again yarn over, knit 1 stitch and then purl 4 stitches. Now purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our 5th row. Now 6th row from wrong side. Slip edge stitch and then purl all stitches. Purl all stitches till the end of the row. Purl last edge stitch also. Here we have completed our 6th row. Repeat these 6 rows till you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it. If you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.